Hi Dylan, I will try to answer your question through this short video. Hopefully it helps. So look at this picture one, let's call it, and let's look at picture two later on. So on picture one, we have a point here, let's say -2, and we have a point here, -1. So we want to write the polynomial equation for this one. Here, as we see, it touches the x-axis and it cuts the x-axis. So if it touches, you need to place degree 2. If it cuts, it needs to be degree 1. Okay, so these are the degrees. So if you would like to write down this polynomial from the graph, we would put p of x is equal to a, which is a leading coefficient, and write down x plus 2 square times x minus 1. And then we would use a different point given on the graph other than the roots or zeros or x-intercepts, and then we carry on. So that's that. So if you look at picture 2, we have a point here -2 and we have a point here 1. All right, so then if you want to write that polynomial, it would be a times x plus 2 first degree, because cuts means first degree, right? And then it slides. This is a slide. For that one, we need to put x minus 1 cube. So the answer to your question, sometimes you might be seeing a third degree if you have a shape on the graph like a slide at that point. Okay. Like the case happening on picture 2 there. And also afterwards, we need to figure out that leading coefficient by using a different point on the graph. Okay, hope it helps. See ya.